Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by defining who pays for your insights and why. Focus on the first 3 verticals where you have proof. Once clear, design a flagship analysis product that solves a single, urgent problem: market scan, competitor mapping, or revenue forecast. Then set simple pricing tiers with deliverables and consulting hours. This lets you test demand fast. Make sure to prepare a 1-page sell sheet and 2 case study summaries so you can start outreach immediately. You now build the machine that converts interest into paying work. First, create a lead magnet tailored to your persona that proves value fast. Follow with a short demo and offer a low-friction paid pilot. Meanwhile, standardize deliverables, templates, slide decks, and reusable data pipelines so you can scale delivery without extra hours. Once done, automate outreach with email sequences and LinkedIn messages, and use one-click booking to reduce friction. Make sure metrics are tracked: conversion rate, CAC, and pilot-to-retainer ratio. You finish by measuring and scaling with discipline. Focus on 90-day KPIs like MRR, client acquisition cost, lifetime value, and conversion rates. Use pilot feedback to refine messaging and streamline the onboarding flow, iterating offers every 30 days until conversion improves. Then scale channels that perform: paid ads, partnerships, or inbound content, and delegate delivery tasks. If growth stalls, audit the funnel end-to-end. Check pricing, demo clarity, and lead quality. The key troubleshoot tip: eliminate one.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.